in plasma because we believe when consumers go into stores and they make those purchase decisions, they are buying performance and value, and it shows in our numbers today. Today, our share of the large screen business, particularly the plasma business, is about 50%. And that is a vote by the consumer that, frankly, drives us and makes our hearts proud. Next slide, please. We're also introducing today a couple of new products that we want you to be aware of. First of all, in our 850 series, which is our high-end product, which has our built-in IPTV capabilities, which has our highest performance, we're introducing the 58 and 65-inch screen sizes. We're also in our PZ800 series introducing the 58-inch as well. This will fill out our total line for the year. These are the last introductions of the year. And we urge you to come by our booth and see these new products. The VieraCast features, particularly in the 850 series, are very noteworthy. Next slide, please. Talking about VieraCast, IPTV has been the subject that everyone has spoken about time and time again. What is IPTV to the consumer? What is the promise of IPTV? That's the ability to go out to the internet, grab whatever content you want, when you want it, how you want it, bring it into your home, watch it on the TV, perhaps put it on portable devices, your content anywhere the way you want it. We're at the very beginning of this, and frankly, the promise of IPTV we've all spoken about, but we're not quite there yet. VieraCast is the first introduction for us. So let me explain some of the essential elements of VieraCast. First of all, it's very simple. Just connect Ethernet to the product, and it essentially self-configures. Secondly, you can access essentially content that we've provided today with content partners to help give you that satisfaction. So we have YouTube, we have the Picasa photo sharing capability, we also have Bloomberg News, and we have the Weather Channel. One of the most important things about our implementation of IPTV, however, is that our IPTV is infinitely upgradable. The technology you buy today will be upgraded continuously, virtually forever. Why? Because our IPTV actually connects to a Panasonic server. And on the Panasonic server, we host all of the services and all of the content. So the only thing we do to upgrade the services or content that is available on this television to the consumer now or 5 years from now is put new content on that server. When the consumer turns on their TV and their TV goes out to that server, they get all the benefits of that new content.